Welcome to my YouTube cookery channel. First of all, let me convey my happy Diwali to all. Now, this is morning time, Saturday. So, I am going to show you a breakfast recipe during the time of Diwali in Tulunad, that is Karnataka, that is in between Tulu Brahmins style. It is one style of dosa, that is turmeric dosa. You can call it as a turmeric dosa or fenugreek dosa, etc. But it's really tasty. And if Diwali is there, this fenugreek dosa we will prepare. It is known as in Tulu Mentha dosa. Along with that, we serve this flattened rice sweet. Again, that also is very tasty. And with chutney, sambar, sweet, bananas, etc. Yes. Now let us see how to prepare mentha dosa, that is fenugreek dosa. Now here I have taken the measurement like this: half a kg of idli paneer rice, quarter kg of urad dal, that is ball style, little turmeric powder, little fenugreek, that is around 1.5 spoon, and salt as per the request. So, first of all, you should soak this idli rice as well as urad dal. You can soak it together also in water, at least 1 to 2 hours, minimum 1 hour, and then you have to grind it. Afterwards, you have to grind it and then mix this turmeric as well as this fenugreek. This fenugreek also should be soaked along with this urad dal and paneer rice. Then these three together plus this together has to be grinded. After grinding only, we have to add salt, and minimum 8 to 10 hours fermentation is necessary for preparing this dosa. I have already prepared the batter. See, the consistency is like this for dosa preparation. Because this is the process, so I have already prepared and kept it ready. Now we shall see how to prepare this rice flake sweet. This is rice flake, little half a coconut of 1 coconut, little salt, little honey, little ghee and jaggery. These all ingredients should be mixed in a style. So I'll show you how to prepare. Yes, now we are going to start preparing fenugreek dosa. Yes, for this type of dosa we have to cover the top. It will take hardly 1 or 2 minutes for getting it cooked properly. Yes, now our dosa is ready. Just wipe with some cloth and start like this. The gas should be on a medium or a bit lower than a medium flame. Otherwise, the dosa will get over roasted and that won't be in good taste also. Now I will show you how to prepare rice flakes sweet. Add little water so that it gets a bit soaked. Then you have to add this jaggery. Now you have to add this coconut scrape. Now little salt, not much, little, just to taste, that's all. Now the honey. It's very easy to prepare but really tasty also. This along with dosa, instead of chutney, if you take along with dosa, it's really tasty. And finally the ghee. Now you have to mix it properly. You have to add little élakki also. But as it is not available now, I am not mixing it. But when you prepare at home, you can add little élakki also. It gives a very good flavor. And preparing these items in your bare hand is really good because you have to mix it very properly, otherwise it won't taste good. So I am using my bare hand for that. Now it's ready. Yes. Now our Diwali breakfast is ready. You may call it as Udupi style or Tulunadu style or Karnataka style. This is our usual breakfast. We can add much more items, that is medu vada and all, but I am adding the minimum items. At least this much items should be there. Fenugreek dosa or turmeric dosa. Plantain sliced and fried in ghee. Chutney, just plain coconut chutney. Just coconut, green chilli and salt. This I have done 2-3 style of chutneys in my previous videos. You can go through it. And this is rice flake sweet. Along with dosa, we can have it. And this is just plain sambar. No onion is added in the sambar. As it is Diwali, we usually don't add onions in this. This type of sambar also I have shown in previous videos. You can go through it, please. And this is Kaju Barfi. I have already prepared as a Diwali sweet. You can please go through it, how to prepare. So these are all the items for Deepavali as breakfast in our homes. So I think everybody enjoyed these videos nicely. And if you are happy about it, please comment on it. Don't hesitate. So once again, I am wishing everybody happy Deepavali or Diwali. Have a nice day.